Hey there, language learners! If you're looking to boost your English skills, I've got the perfect daily routine for you. Let's dive into a 20-minute plan that'll make learning fun and effective. First, spend 5 minutes on vocabulary. Use flashcards or an app like Anki to review 10 new words. Say them out loud, use them in a sentence, and write them down. This multi-sensory approach helps with retention. Next, dedicate 5 minutes to reading. Choose a short article, a blog post, or even a social media update in English. The key is consistency, so pick something interesting to you. This will keep you engaged and improve your comprehension over time. Now let's focus on listening for 5 minutes. Find a podcast, a YouTube video, or an audiobook excerpt. Listen actively, try to pick out new words and phrases, and don't worry if you don't catch everything. The goal here is to get used to the rhythm and sounds of English. Finally, spend the last 5 minutes speaking. This is crucial for building confidence. Talk to yourself about your day, describe what you see around you, or even record yourself. If you have a language partner, great. If not, no worries. The point is to practice speaking regularly. So to recap, 5 minutes on vocabulary, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes listening, and 5 minutes speaking. Just 20 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your English journey. Stick with this routine, and you'll see improvement before you know it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on learning English. Happy learning, everyone!